Look at this monkey. Is this monkey fat? No. Is this monkey skinny? Also no. So what is this monkey? This monkey is a mystery. Soft in the wrong places, flat in the right places. No shape, no definition. Just there. This is skinny fat. An ape is going to fix it right now. Why does skinny fat happen? Simple. Monkey has too little muscle and too much fat at the same time. Most monkeys try to fix this by eating less. They lose weight, but they still look soft because the problem was never just fat. The problem is no muscle underneath the fat. So the solution is not just a diet. The solution is building muscle while burning fat at the same time. Body recomposition sounds complicated. It is not. What does monkey do? Monkey lifts heavy things 4 days a week, no skipping. Monkey builds the workout around big movements only: squat, deadlift, bench press, row, overhead press, pull up. These are the ones that matter. These hit everything. These build the shape that makes skinny fat disappear. 3 to 4 sets each, 8 to 12 reps. The last 2 reps should make monkey want to put the weight down. If monkey feels nothing, the weight is a joke. Add more. What does monkey eat? Monkey eats at maintenance or just below. 150 to 200 calorie deficit maximum. Nothing more. Big deficit means muscle loss, means still skinny fat. Small deficit means fat burns. Slowly means muscle stays, means shape appears. Protein is non-negotiable. 1 gram per pound of body weight every day. Chicken, eggs, fish, dairy, legumes. Whatever monkey can eat consistently. Miss protein, miss results. Simple as that. What does monkey ignore? Hours of cardio, crash diets, fat burner supplements, weight loss teas, anything that promises fast results. Skinny fat is a slow problem. It needs a slow, consistent solution. Monkey did not become skinny fat overnight. Monkey will not fix it overnight. The timeline? 3 months of consistent work and monkey starts to see something. 6 months and other monkeys start to notice. 1 year and old monkey is gone. New monkey has entered. Summary: lift 4 days a week. Focus on compound movements. Progressive overload every session. Eat at a small deficit. Hit protein every day. Sleep 8 hours. Repeat. That is the whole secret. There is no other secret. Now monkey, stop reading and go lift something heavy.